everyone, I'm Gordon Ramsay. Listen up, you lot. We all know a good diet is the foundation of a successful kitchen, and it's bloody essential for a healthy life, wouldn't you agree? Just like you need the right ingredients in the right amounts for a perfect dish, your body needs a balanced intake of nutrients. Today, we're diving into the 8 warning signs that you might be eating too much sugar. You heard me right, sugar. That seemingly innocent ingredient could be wreaking havoc on your body. Let's face it, we've all been there. That insatiable craving for something sweet, something sugary. You try to resist, you really do, but the sugar monster inside you is roaring. Well, those constant cravings could be your body screaming, "Enough is enough." You see, when you consume excessive sugar, your body gets used to that sugar rush. It becomes dependent on that quick hit of energy, and when it doesn't get it, it throws a tantrum in the form of cravings. Don't let those cravings control you. You're the chef of your own body, remember? Take charge and kick those sugary cravings to the curb. You just ate a full meal, and an hour later you're starving again. Sound familiar? This, my friends, is another classic sign of too much sugar. Sugar plays tricks on your blood sugar levels, sending them on a roller coaster ride of highs and lows. You experience a quick spike in energy, followed by a dramatic crash, leaving you feeling famished and reaching for more sugary snacks. It's a vicious cycle, and breaking free is the only way to regain control of your appetite. You're constantly tired, drained, and lacking energy, even after a good night's sleep. You feel like you're running on fumes, and frankly, you're getting bloody frustrated. Well, your excessive sugar habit could be the culprit behind this energy slump. You see, when your blood sugar levels spike and crash, they take your energy levels along for the ride. It's like forcing your body to run a marathon, only to trip it up at the finish line. Give your body the proper fuel it needs, and you'll be amazed at the difference in your energy levels. Are you more prone to mood swings than a reality TV contestant? Do you find yourself snapping at colleagues, friends, or even the poor cashier at the grocery store? You, my friend, could be suffering from a bad case of sugar grump. Those sugar highs and lows can play havoc with your hormones, leaving you feeling like a ticking time bomb of emotions. One minute you're riding high, the next you're ready to blow your top. It's not a pretty sight, and it's certainly not fair to those around you. Listen, I'm a chef, not a dentist, but even I know that sugar is public enemy number 1 when it comes to your pearly whites. If you're constantly battling cavities, toothaches, or bad breath, your sweet tooth could be to blame. Sugar feeds the bacteria in your mouth, producing acids that erode tooth enamel and lead to a whole host of dental disasters. You wouldn't serve a dish with rotten ingredients, would you? So why treat your body that way? Let's be honest, we've all been there. Those extra pounds creeping on, the clothes feeling a bit snugger. It's a common problem, and often excessive sugar is the main culprit. You see, when you consume more sugar than your body can burn, it gets stored as fat. It's like stuffing your pantry full of ingredients you never use. They just sit there, taking up space. And let's not forget about those sugary drinks. They're like liquid calories, adding inches to your waistline without you even realizing it. Your skin is your largest organ, and it's often a reflection of your inner health. If you're battling breakouts, acne, or dull-looking skin, your sugar intake could be a major contributor. Sugar triggers inflammation in the body, and inflammation is a recipe for disaster when it comes to your skin. It can lead to increased oil production, clogged pores, and those dreaded breakouts. You wouldn't put diesel in a Ferrari, would you? So why fuel your body with something that's going to cause it to break down? Now, this is where things get serious. Excessive sugar intake is a major risk factor for type 2 diabetes, a chronic condition that affects millions worldwide. When you consume too much sugar, your body becomes resistant to insulin, the hormone that regulates blood sugar levels. This leads to elevated blood sugar, which, over time, can damage your nerves, blood vessels, and organs. It's like ignoring a small fire in the kitchen, hoping it will go out on its own. Eventually, it's going to turn into a blazing inferno. So there you have it, the 8 warning signs that you might be overdoing it on the sugar. Remember, knowledge is power. Now that you're aware of these signs, it's time to take action. Start by being mindful of your sugar intake. Read labels, choose healthier alternatives, and don't be afraid to say no to that extra slice of cake. Your body will thank you for it. Stay healthy and see you next time.